Hello, my name is Emma Hanquist. I'm an artist specialized in editorial illustration. I worked a lot with Swedish magazines, and I've also done some work for some international clients such as Spotify, Airbnb, and Boston Globe magazine. Editorial illustration is the perfect way to synthesize and communicate hard and complex subjects that are very difficult to use photography in. It's all about simplifying a text down to its essence and then turn that idea into an illustration. The goal is to connect readers and authors through illustration while achieving visual balance. In this Domestika course, I'll show you how to turn a text and an idea into an illustration. We're going to use Photoshop to create an illustration based on a text on relationships. For a final project, you will create a finished editorial illustration with a clear idea, adaptable for a magazine layout. I will show you how to work with words and associations to use illustration as that great communication tool it is. We will work with those words and associations, and I will show you how to apply different illustration symbols to push your imagination and idea process. And then we will transform those words into reference images that we will use when creating our final illustration. After that, I will show you how to visualize your ideas and to make your sketches communicative for yourself and for your clients. I will talk to you a little bit about characters and how to think when it comes to body posture and thinking outside the common norms. We will build our image with shapes using our sketch as a communication tool. We will continue building our image, adding detail and shadows to create depth. Then I will explain to you what you need to have in mind when choosing colors. We will have our illustration ready, and I will show you how to change the mood in the image by changing the color palette. Finally, I will show you how to work in a magazine layout and how to use that layout to enhance your idea. By the end of this course, you will have learned how to use illustration as a communication tool to creatively enhance a text. You will use a computer with Photoshop and preferably a graphic tablet, but you can also start from your scanned analog drawings. Synthesize and expand any written idea into a creative illustration. Let's go!